You that die. You die.
Alright.
Who died?
Recording gameplay of this game.
And sound or?
Yep.
Was Skype been recording the whole time or?
Yep.
Sweet. I want to hear my
Fire a ricocheting projectile from it.
Ricochet. But yeah, put my song in that video.
Oh damn.
Oh no.
Brink, over here! I can't hold them back much longer!
You alright, Sil? Rest here a while. I'm going ahead to finish the job.
What the hell? She's all like, I can't. He's like, oh, you're alright? I'm all calm up in here. He knows how to stay calm. He's a warrior. He doesn't panic. That's sexist. Just because she's a woman, she panics. I'm not purchasing that game.
Random. Oops. Ah, this is so bad. If you miss clicking on a guy, like, once, she just, like, sprints up right next to them, and I picked the Ranger class.
Oh.
Oh, okay, the ricocheting shot is literal. Not that I thought I'd be saying it as a joke.
Oh my eye! It's a joke. Wait. Hey, Ricochet.
Undefined belt, and it's of the blue variety.
You think you're funny? Blue, is that like the item level kind of thing?
It's buckled sash of agility, and it increases dexterity by 3, poison by 2, or resistance, and increases...
Doesn't even have agility on it.
I know. I don't think agility is even a stat in this, though.
Jesus. This game just keeps sounding worse and worse on top of the previous worst. It's stacking up. It's gonna get to the point where I just don't want to hear your shit. And it's getting damn close to that as it is.
It's pretty boring. When I said before, like, before I played it, that they could make an interesting MMO out of a Diablo kind of game, I just don't think this one has enough potential.
But because it's not made by Blizzard, they should make a Diablo. Diablo's gonna be like pretty good online at IMO. Just because you can do the dungeons with your friends, that'd be really fun.
Yeah, Blizzard are pretty good at making online games, I've heard.
Yeah.
Like, I've heard they're not bad.
Average, to say the least.
They've got a few players under their belt.
Yeah, a couple.
What they're doing under their belt is questionable.
Huh. Rude.
Right. I leveled up. Obviously dexterity being my main attribute. It's not, there's 4 things in the game. It's strength, dexterity, magic, and defense. Does defense increase your health? Increases the amount of... No, your health is just base, I guess you can get.